Okay, so this is the EcoPod progress report. We have assembled about just over a quarter of all the pieces of the subfloor sections, and so we had them laid out before on the ground outside, and just we wanted to test to make sure it all fits together properly. So now it fits together very nice and everything's good. So now we're starting to assemble it around the base. So this is the spar that's going to go on the C-Pod or in the EcoPod model. And so we're assembling this. There's another, so how many pieces do we have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 10 right now, and there's a total of 26 that make up the subfloor sections. So another 16 pieces, and this will be done. And then we'll start putting the flooring in, and this will be, you see where these green lines are? That's where the floor is going to go. So that's where the floor is going to rest on those. Basically, it's just indicating where they're going to go. They won't obviously be on strings, but they will be resting there until we put the supports in. This is just to hold this all up right now. And so yeah, it's making great progress. We'll walk around.